Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Usually I don't make videos on Sunday nights, but everyone was requesting because Bitcoin had a pullback. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades and I'm going to do Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Join us in the Telegram. There's around 700 of you online chatting, discussing trades right now. The link, jamescryptoguru.com. There's the Telegram link and the courses. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Bitcoin just had a dump, and you can see my account went from 930 to 906, so quite a big drop just happened. It was 930 a few hours ago, now 906, so 24k drop. And you can see Bitcoin dropping a little bit lower than the previous low. Look at that, dropping right now, Bitcoin. My trade is still $2,000 in the profits. It was $6,000 just before. My Ethereum trade was $20,000, world was $8,000, so this is quite a big pullback. Let's jump into the technicals. We're going into the market. And you can see that there has been a little bit of a pullback. XRP, TON, GOAT, MCRT still up, Bitcoin dominance going down. Everything else quite red actually on this Bitcoin drop, 97,290. Let's see where we're going. On the weekly, we finished the week in 11 hours and it still has the big targets of the cup and handle and the bull flag. The target is still 104, 109. We're very close to 100k and getting rejected, which is surprising. Everyone was super expecting, but you can see here when we had this leg up to 86k, we had some sideward chop also, and it does look like we had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of sideward chop from 11th of November to the 17th of November, 6 days of sideward chop before the next leg up. And here we had 3 days of sideward chop before the next leg up. And here at 70k, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So about 1 week of sideways chop. Right now we're 3 days into it. And you can see it does still look like a bull flag in my opinion. If we measure out the pole and the flag distance, here, we still have a target of 104,000. It's coming very close to activating my trade from this morning and yesterday when I set this trade, 97,095. It's about $200, $140 from activating this trade. So very close. I would keep the same trades, 97095, stop loss 96598, and then take profit 104 and 109. Risk to reward is 497 to make $12,000. 10x leverage would be $120,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'm still currently in my trade on Bitcoin. You can see my Bitcoin trade is $2,000 in profits. Ethereum trade 14,000. World trade 3,000. And you can see my Ethereum trade. Here was where I bought it at 3,033. It reached 3,510, pulling back around 200. Let's go into Ethereum. And the rest of the market down a little bit. Ethereum 3,300. On the weekly, we've got the massive symmetrical triangle. I'm not going to take profits on Ethereum till it hits this, till it goes to this. This has been building since 2021. The target is 7,300. When we go closer to the daily, you can see it broke out of this descending triangle and symmetrical triangle. When we go closer to the 4 hourly, you can see the bullish pennant. I described this in the video today. And you can see when we go into the hourly that it's having a little bit of a pullback. It went to 93,500 and then pulled back to 3,300. My trade that I set earlier today still in effect. 3,267 would be open. 3,162 stop loss. Take profit 7,600. Risk to reward is 41 times, risking 105 per Ethereum to make 4,300. With 10x over, would be 43,000. That's the trade where I would take. And this dump is panicking a lot of people. Altcoins got a little bit hit hard. You can join us in the Telegram. Everyone's discussing right now. There's 613 of you online. People discussing. I'm invested in MCRT and seed investor of that. And people talking about Sui, Doge. They're panicking a bit on the drop. My trade, they're asking, do I keep the trade open? I've kept that same. I would keep that same Bitcoin trade open. But let's see how Bitcoin reacts. And if it gets a bounce. This guy's seeing a head and shoulders, which is correct. It is a little bit of a head and shoulders on Bitcoin. However, oh no, this is on Doge maybe. Does look like a little bit of a head and shoulders, or it could be bonk. So be cautious out there. But I do think Bitcoin won't pull back so much. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, going under the video down below, sign up to Bybit, 60k bonus, main exchange I use for trading. Weex is good for USA, UK, Australia, the different exchanges. jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And join us in the Telegram down below. Let's see how far Bitcoin pulls back, but I'm not going to close anything here because I think on Monday morning when the market opens, the ETFs will again be buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing it up like crazy and everyone's going to FOMO in again. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Join us in the Telegram. Have an amazing weekend with your family and friends. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.